Now see, do this and find out. Do this experiment in group of your friends. Of 4 friends, each group will need big pot filled with water, and the things list in the table. Put each thing one by one into the water and observe. Write your observation in the table given on the next page. Now student, this experiment you have to do at your home, and you have to do this experiment with your friends. Now this experiment I am going to show you. You have to observe, and also at your home you have to do this experiment, same experiment, and you have to write your observation here. I wrote my observation here. What you have to tick here: mark correct for things that float. Okay, mark which things are will float. No, that's for that things you have to mark right tick. Then you have to make wrong tick for those things sink in the water. Those sink in the water, no, that things, for that things you have to draw wrong sign here, like this. Now just see. Now see, I took one bucket of water here. Now one by one I will put things in the water, and I will show you which things will float and which things will sink in the water. First, read from this books which things we have to take first. It is empty bowl, katori. Now I have katori, empty bowl of steel katori. So you have to put in the water. In first video I also this experiment I did. See, what bowl is flowing, water bowl is floating. Now after putting 6-7 small pebbles one by one, means what? Stone. Now I am taking stone and I will put one by one in the katori. See, I have the small stones here, pebbles. Now I am going to put in this katori. See, you can see still katori is floating on the water. Okay. Now we will take out this katori and stone. Now third is we need iron nail or pin. See, I have iron nail here. Okay, pin. Now I am going to put this. See, it goes at the bottom of this bucket. It means the nails, the pin, this iron pin sink in the water. Now we will take out this from the water. Now we need matchstick. See, now I will put matchstick. Now you can see the matchstick is not sink in the water, it is flowing. You can see it is flowing, means matchstick is flowing. Then empty plastic bottle with lids closed. See, I took empty plastic bottle with closed lid and I am putting this in the water. See, flowing. Now bottle of half filled water. Okay, now I will fill half water in this bottle. And we have to close this lid. We have to close cap of this water bottle and see, close tightly. You can see half bottle is floating, water still floating on the water, but half water bottle is floating and half sink. Now we have to fill full of water into this bottle, and we have to close this cap of this bottle. Now you can see water bottle is sink in the in the bucket. Now remove this water bottle from this water. Now we have to take soap cake. Now see, I taken here soap cake. Now I will put into the water. Now soap cake sink in the water. But when I take this again, okay, and when soap cake, when I will keep this soap cake on the small plastic plate, otherwise steel plate, it will be floating. That I am going to show you. This katori again I am taking and I am putting this soap into the water, into this bowl. Now see, it is floating. On soap cake also, the soap cake, on the soap cake also soap will float on the water. Now we have to take piece of ice. You can see piece of ice. We will put into the water. Now you can see ice will not sink into the water. Ice is floating on the water. So in this way you have to do this activity by yourself at your home. Now you are free, now you are being home only, so you do this kind of experiment at your home. Now I have also some other thing here that I am going to put in this water. See, I have here plastic scale. Now see, we will just look which thing will sink and which thing will float on the water. See, scale is floating on the water, and this wooden pencil will also float into the water. See, we will take eraser. See, eraser sink into the water. So in this way, student, those things where is less, those thing is lighter than the water, no, that things will sink, that things will float on the water, and those things will heavier than the water, no, that thing will sink into the water. So do this activity at your home. Now take foil paper, open it and spread out. It will be float. Now press tightly into a ball and keep in again in the water. It will be sink. Now in a cup like shape you have to make and keep in a water. It will be float on the water. Now fill this chart like this, which things will float and which things sink into the water, and which things which are float on the water, no, you have to make right tick, and things which are sink into the water, no, that thing, for that things you have to make wrong sign like this. See, I am doing this. The bowl float on the water, then after putting small bubbles, it will also float on the water. Iron nail sink into the water. Mastic float on the water. Then water bottle, empty water bottle float on the water. Now see, the iron nail sink into the water, but the katori float. Why this? Because the nail displays less water and katori displays more water. The empty plastic bottle floated on the water, and the bottle filled with water is sunk because weight of filled bottle was more than the displaced water by it. Now the aluminium foil floated when it was spread out. When pressed tightly into a ball, it sunk. This may have happened because spread out of foil displays more water compared to other foil paper. Now